For this smoky red pepper vegan cheddar cheese recipe, you will need coconut oil, nutritional yeast, cayenne pepper, salt, tahini, Dijon mustard, agar agar, tomato puree, water, raw cashew nuts, soy sauce, a medium red pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Let's get started. So this recipe should yield 600 grams, 21 ounces in total, of this cheddar cheese. And I recently bought these lovely silicone molds, which I figured may be good for making those lovely cheese shapes. Well, we'll see if it might not be enough, we'll see. Weigh out 150 grams of raw cashews. Measure out 80 mils of water. This is what I'm going to add to the container. I'm going to blend everything together in. 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Plop. 60 grams of tahini. Tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 organic medium red pepper, de-seeded and chopped. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 15 grams of nutritional yeast. Looks like we're gonna need a bigger boat. 1/8 of a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. I have no idea what 1/8 looks like. That'll do, there'll be plenty. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Lastly, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Blend all this in a container that's bigger than 500 mils. Like this one. It's too small. Crazy though, I'm committing to it. Blend until smooth. It says not to remove, the recipe says not to remove it from the blender, but I'm going to because I need a bigger blender, because there's more ingredients. Fortunately, I have one of these. 240 mils of water, and I can see it's got little bits in the jug from something else. Anyway. Okay, so in with the water. And 1 tablespoon of the Agar Agar powder. And you are going to stir constantly until it boils, and then you leave it to boil for a minute. Are you going to continue? Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. And once that is nicely done, I'm going to quickly add it to the blender, blend it until smooth, and quickly pour it into the mold. So look at those bubbles, that's amazing. Okay, so 1 minute. Quickly, you gotta just I'm making rush on this because apparently I've got to do this really quickly because it already begins to set. And here it is into the molds. My joke's in the way. And very much setting as I'm pouring it. Just needed 1 mold. Now into the fridge. And it's been a couple of hours. Let's see how the cheeses turn out. And with ease, these cheeses just plopped out of the molds. Looking pretty good. Yes, I'm happy with that. And a rather unique texture, or a jelly-like. Tastes lovely. very like pepper. You can taste the pepper. Lovely flavour. Gonna go with my sandwich with the bread I just made. And I also made pickle, and I made butter. Cheese and pickle sandwich.